Isaiah with Tron Solar once again. At this home, we're looking at a Tesla install for the brand new Tesla Powerwall 3. As you can see, very clean aesthetic with the Tesla logo here. If you are one of the proud owners of this Tesla, we're gonna go over a couple of troubleshooting steps and some things to look for as well. So as you can see, very seamless. There's not many buttons or functionality on the battery itself. Everything is going to be controlled through the Tesla app. So make sure if you haven't received the link to access that app at your install, make sure to reach out to customer service at 1-800-484-8766. Now the one button that is on this battery is going to be on this side here, and it is an on-off switch, right? And so in case of emergency or any kind of a power surge or anything like that, you can definitely flip the battery to the off position. That will allow it to discontinue any kind of discharging as well as charging as well. So it turns the battery off completely. And in just a moment, we're gonna go ahead and look outside at the breakers for the battery.